Hey loves, welcome to a brand new video. Today I am creating these red and orange fall themed nails and they came out so pretty. I did include some goodies I picked up from the Wish app, like these orange stones. They're so pretty and in the sunlight they look like they're glowing. Enjoy the video. Alright loves, I am very excited because in today's video, I will be trying out the glass nail trend. As you can see on my right hand, my index and ring fingernails are completely clear and I did a really pretty design on them. For the other three, I used my Kiss Powerflex brush-on nail glue. And for my index and ring fingernails, I used my Gadgets Entrepot UV/LED glue gel. I have already properly sized my nail as well as filed off any excess so it will fit securely onto my nail bed. Now with my Modesa e-file using the fine shaping tool, I'm going to gently file the inside of the nail so it will properly adhere. I am using the Sensationail gel primer. This comes in a kit alongside their base/top coat with a nail file and an orange stick. It's available at Walmart for $10. What a primer does is it creates a base layer that you can build upon. It removes grease from the nail bed and it increases the adhesion and the longevity of gel nails. I like to apply 2 layers of primer just to be safe. A little bit of this product does go a very long way though. When applying your primer or any nail product for that matter, be careful not to get too close to the skin of your cuticles or the skin along the sides of your nails. I am using a brush that came with the UV LED gel to apply it starting in the center because I don't want it too close to the free edge or to the cuticle. So starting in the center and then I'm just gently brushing it out. I am firmly pressing down the nail, getting it as close to my cuticle as I can without touching it, and I'm also making sure to press out any air bubbles. Then I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. The glitter that I am using is a mixture of orange, red, and gold. The 2 glitters on the right are holographic and they are all by Horizon Group. Check out the description for links to both. I am applying a very thin layer of the Gadgets Entrepot gel to my thumb and I will fully cover this nail with the glitter. I used my Sassy Chic metal cuticle pusher. It's really good at dipping into the jar and just sprinkling the glitter where you want it. I am encapsulating that glitter with my Sensationail base and top coat. And what I'm doing is I'm barely touching the glitter because I don't want to drag it around. I want it to stay in place. And I'm going to cure this for 30 seconds. I purchased these decals as well as the orange stones that I'll be using later on in the video, all off of the Wish app. Links are available in the description. These red holographic butterflies were free with $4 shipping. You get a lot in this container and they're so pretty. I have seen so many fall nail designs that have these cute little holographic leaves, so of course I had to try it out myself. These orange holographic maple leaves come in a very small container, but it's also jam-packed as well. And they were 67 cents with $2 shipping. I'm applying a very thin layer of the Gadgets Entrepot gel. And what I had planned on doing at first was putting the red butterflies on one nail and the orange leaves on another. But then I thought it would look really pretty if I just put them both on the same nail. And then I got the idea to accent the nail further with these beautiful orange Hotfix crystals. To encapsulate the decals on my index and ring fingernails, as well as to build up all of my nails, I am applying the IBD Clear Hard Gel with my present number 8 gel brush. These are size 6 through size 20 orange Hotfix flatback crystals. They were free plus $2 shipping. After curing my stones for 60 seconds, I am now applying my top coat, and I'm going to cure for another 30 seconds. I am also going to top coat underneath my 3 clear nails so they won't look cloudy and they can be extra clear. To remove the tacky layer after curing, I'm taking alcohol on a cotton pad and gently swiping over and underneath my nails. Thank you, loves, so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. What do you think of my fall nails? Tell me in a comment down below. Check out the description for all of the products that I used to create this set. And until next time, bye, loves!